So hi everyone, today I will be explaining to you how to use or how to send SMS, email, Facebook DM, and Instagram PM from Shopify IO Conversation tab. So first is we're going to open the conversations and click the pencil or compose icon to start a new message. So since na nakasulod sa conversation, is i-click mo siya. So muna siya ang compose new message. So start new message. Pwede butang message or contact. So, kung contact is then ito via email. So, create conversation. So, once na-create na naman conversation, select channel you want to use. Like, ano ba siya, SMS, email. So, atong choose is email. Then, type your message and hit send. All replies will appear at the same thread. So, pwede mo siya, hi, what's this? Si type. Send mo siya. So, yun. So, once na nasend na mo siya, tara, ma-appear na siya dali na successful ang mukhang message. So, that would be all.